Hi, this is Bruce Lemieux. Let's take a look at a current market update for real estate in Montgomery County, Maryland. We'll take a look at contracts over the last 5 months and compare it to 2010. We still have the effects of the tax credit for last year, which really skewed the monthly statistics. So hopefully looking at a 5-month period will smooth everything out. Contracts for July was 24% higher than it was July this time last year, which is great. Down a little bit from June, but that's typical seasonal activity. Now, if we add up all 5 months, we'll see that the total contract activity was down just under 3%. Last month, when we took a look at the 4-month summary, we were down 5%, so we seem to be trending in the right direction. Now, let's take a look at the contract activity by price range. This chart looks exactly like it did last month. We're still seeing more activity at the entry level of the market, dominated by distressed sales and short sales. As prices have come down, buying activity has picked up. And at the very upper end of the market, we've seen an increase in activity there as well due to much better buyer confidence. In fact, if I look at all the contract activity from January through July for homes listed over $1.5 million, this year we had a total of 164 homes under contract. This time last year it was 117, so that's a 40% increase, really indicating that buyers are going to have a lot more confidence on the upper bracket homes. Look at the middle of the market, pretty much trending the way it was last year, just down a bit. Now let's take a look at the areas within Montgomery County and see how they're doing. Like last month, home values in these areas are trending lower with higher contract activity at lower prices. Sales of lower priced distressed sales are the biggest drivers here, bringing prices down. Last month I had the only area in orange. Wasn't sure if they were trending up or trending down, but looking at this month's activity clearly indicates that we're having lower home values compared to last year. These areas have had stable prices but significantly lower contract volume. Lower contract activity could be a sign that prices need to come down to attract buyers, or the given inventory was super low in some of these areas this time last year. We could be seeing a return to a normal market with prices increasing. We'll still continue to watch these areas in the months to come, and all these areas in the orange were orange last month. These areas have had stable or increasing prices and higher contract activity, a clear sign of increasing home values. Last month, Tacoma Park was in the orange zone, but I moved it to green this month. Contract activity has been a little lower compared to last year, but list prices have gone up. And lastly, Potomac and Chevy Chase had much lower contract activity compared to last year, yet at much higher average list prices. This is mainly attributed to sales of more upper bracket homes that I reviewed earlier. Take away contracts for homes listed over $1.5 million or more, and these areas go orange, stable or higher prices, but still much lower contract activity. So there you have it. There's a current market update for Montgomery County, Maryland. It's going to be very interesting to see how the August numbers come out. This has been a crazy month with the wild stock market gyrations, the federal debt downgrade, and just the general malaise and disgust with Washington right now. So I got to think that would have an effect on buyer confidence, but interest rates keep getting lower and the job market's still really good here. So we'll see how it turns out. Hope this video helped. Give us a call with any questions about the market. Thanks for watching.